Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to use fill up and fill down to fill the missing values in Dataflow Gen2. So let's take a look here of what we have here. Let me show you. I have this Lakehouse here, and this is the file we have. If you take a look on this file, there are a lot of missing values in the region. So you see right there, and there are missing values in the sale representative. So see right there. So those values are missing. It will be more visual when I'm going to pull this value in the data flow. So then we would like to fill these values. I'm going to go ahead and create a new data flow. So let's go to our workspace here, go to data flows tab, and then create new item. I'm creating a Dataflow Gen2 here, and I will be calling this one df fill up and down. So that's it, and now we are going to go ahead and hit create button. If you notice that I'm actually making the videos on very small features. So one of the thing because there are a lot of new people, they're using this technology and they're not familiar with each and every tab, and they need to understand what capabilities these technology or tools provide. So that's why I'm going to provide pretty much tutorials on all these different tabs and the capabilities. Let's go to the get data here, go to more, and then we click view more and go to the Microsoft Fabric, go to Lakehouse and create a new connection. So you will be providing the name of the connection and the account that has permission to that Lakehouse. So here I already have a connection, and then I'm going to hit next, and then we will be seeing the file. Here is our sales workspace, and I will be going to the Tech Browser Lakehouse, and then we'll be going to staging under the files tab. So let's go to staging, and then we will be selecting our file that's a fill up and down demo. So let's create, and now we have the file ready here, and you can see the data in a much better format. So now we have column 1, column 2, column 3 and 4, and you see that this was actually the first row is a column, but we did not take that, so I'm going to click right here and use first row as a header. Now this is all fixed. Now if you notice right here in the region, we have east here, and these are two blank values here, and I would like to fill that with the east because I know that this sale is for east, and this value you see that's west here, and I would like to fill these with the west. With the sale representative, I would like to fill the other way around. So instead of going from top to bottom, I would like to fill from Alice here in the second row, and then Bob in these fifth row and fourth row. So I would like to fill up on this one. So let's click on the region first, and then we will go to the right here in the transform, and here is our fill option. Fill cells values to the neighboring empty cells in the current selected column. Now it has fill up and fill down. I'm going to go ahead and click on fill down here, and that's what I want to do. And after I apply that, the transformation is applied, but what happened? There is nothing really happen here, because if I have the blank cells, then nothing is going to happen. First of all, I have to convert these values to null, and then I will apply the transformation again. So I'm going to cancel this out, go back and use the replace. So here we will go to the replace here. Let me find out where is the replace right here, and replace values. Now here you will leave this blank, and then you will fill with the null, because these are blank values and we would like to fill with the null values, so we can use fill up and fill down. Here I will be doing the same thing for the our sales representatives and replace values, and here I will put a null. The first value to find will leave the empty, and that means the blank spaces. Now that's all done here, and you see that now we have nulls available right here. Our next transformation that we are going to use is a fill down. So east here on the second, third, west on the fourth, fifth and sixth. So I'm going to go right here and say fill down, and now we should be good. And so you see that east is filled down all the way till here, and then when the next value was found, then those are filled with those values. Now let's take a look on the sale representative, and here we would like to use the fill up. So you see that we have Bob here that should go to 5 and 4 row, and Elise that should go to the row number 2, and then John will stay as is. Now we are going to go right here, and then we will use the fill up. And in this case, we should see the updated records, and we see right now that works just great. Our data is ready, and finally we can go ahead and write to the table and click on the data destination here, warehouse, and then select or create the connection. In creating connection, you will be providing just the name of the connection, your organization account that has a permission, and then it will show you the warehouses. In my case, I have this connection already created. I'm gonna hit next, and then we will see the Tech Brothers warehouse right here. I'm going to select that, and here I will provide the name of the table. So we will go ahead and okay, it says the table does exist already. I'm going to say fill up and down one or demo, so that will be doing it. So underscore demo, and now it's going to create a new table. We hit next, and then we save settings, and then we will go home, say save and run, and it's going to execute our data flow right there. So it's in progress. So once it's completed, then we should be able to see the data in our warehouse. Our data flow is completed successfully, and now we can go to the warehouse here, and then we should be seeing that table called demo fill. So let's just use that one right here, and click right there, and we should be seeing our date here, region here, and sale rep, and you see that the values has been filled. So same thing happened here. So you can use fill up or fill down in different scenarios wherever you needed to fill those blank values. I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.